Alright, doing a bench test on the sending unit for my 71 Super Beetle. I removed it from the vehicle. I'm going to hook up the probes to test the ohms. I'm going to turn this on here. I'm using the Actron CP7677. Alright. According to midsouthvw.com, there were some tech tips on there on how to see if the sending unit was bad or not. So I've hooked up the meter, and to put the unit at the reserve empty position, should be reading about 70 ohms. Looks like that's what we've got right there. And then as we move it to the full position, we should be around 10 ohms. I'm going to move these floats in here and let's see what we get here. Looks like about 11.3, so close to the 10. Maybe, probably, I think they said if it registers over 10 that it will never register full. So I am getting readings on the sending unit, so I guess the next step will be moving on to the gauge vibrator. It was getting power when I tested it on the vehicle, so we'll see where that brings us next.